Hello friends, my name is Ajram Kumar. I am a mechanical student of Government Polytechnic Ambala City. Today is my topic PowerPoint and submitted to Sanjeev sir. Introduction of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a powerful, easy to use presentation graphics software program which allows you to create professional looking electronic slide shows. PPT is used to present information in an authorized manner to an individual or group. PowerPoint is a office application that can help you create a professional computerized slideshow presentation. Presentation is an application that allows a user to create and save to use as a slideshow. How to start PowerPoint? 1. Click on the PowerPoint icon on taskbar. If do not see the icon, go to the Start button, right click and choose Search PowerPoint in the search field, and when PowerPoint appears, double click it. Number 2. PowerPoint will open, promoting you to select a theme. Click on a blank presentation. Working environmental. Working environment is a broad term and means all surrounding when working. Your physical working environment is, for example, your work tools as well as air, noise and light. But your working environment also includes the psychological aspects of how your work is organized and your well-being at work. Concept of toolbar. A toolbar is a set icons or buttons that are part of software program's interface or an open window. For example, web browsers such as Internet Explorer includes a toolbar in each open window. These toolbars have items such as back and forward buttons, a home button, and an address field. The toolbar, also called bar and standard toolbar, is a row of boxes often at the top point of an application window that control various functions of the software. The boxes of contain images that correspond with the function they control, as demonstrated in the image below. Slide layout and templates. Slide layout designs for PowerPoint presentations with creative background and slide templates that you can use to decorate your presentations. These PowerPoint templates come with unique slide layouts that are not commonly attractive enough to grab the attention of your audience enough, but are easy to edit for making simple or complex slide designs with S. These templates can be used for making anything from project timelines or list slides and even diagrams depicting a process. Opening a new presentation. Choose File, Open. Click the Open button on the toolbar. The Open dialog box appears. Number 2. If necessary, choose a different disk or folder by navigating the dialog boxes you would any standard Windows file dialog. Number 3. Click the name in the list and click Exiting Presentation. To close a presentation, if you have multiple presentations open, click the X in the upper right corner of the application window. To close a presentation, if you only have a single presentation open and you want to leave the PowerPoint application open, and click the File tab in the ribbon. Different views for viewing slides in a presentation. Normal, slide sorter. PowerPoint has three main views: normal view, slide sorter view, and slide shows views. Normal view is the main editing view, which is used to write and design a presentation. Normal view is the main editing view where you write and design your presentation. View has four working areas. Slide sorter view. Slide sorter view gives you a view of your slides thumbnail from. The slide sorter view makes it easy to reorder your slides simple by dragging and dropping the slides. You can also group the slide into sections and reorder message and the slides within each section as well. It is useful when we want to rearrange the slides, duplicate the slides or delete the slides. Thanks all friends. Subscribe my mechanical toy channel and press the bell icon